Machiegni kendo wadhi nyime kama kambi mar piny owacho matimo pim kod nonro mag sayans oyudo ayanga oboke mar tich makoro keto duoko mag gilai manyime. E nyasi ma oyuore kod jagoro migawo mar arita kaachiel kod jotelo mamoko, ginyiso mor margi kod ikruok ne tich kendo rwako tije makoro nyalo wuokie pinje maoko bang' puodhogi ayanga kaka kar pim kod nonro molony. Oboke ni biro yangi e thuolo mar higni 4 mabiro kapok omigi machielo kendo.
The official presentation of the ISO IEC 17025 Testing Laboratory Accreditation Certificate by KENAS affirms that scientific work undertaken by one of Kenya's most important national laboratories has been independently assessed against internationally recognized requirements for technical competence, quality, and impartiality. So our responsibility now is to ensure that the benefit of this accreditation moves beyond the government chemist department and is felt throughout the institutions and ultimately by the Kenyan people whom we all serve.
When Kenya's laboratories meet internationally recognized standards, Kenya itself becomes more credible. I equally congratulate the government chemists, its leadership, the scientists that you have, the analysts, the technical teams. This certificate represents a considerable work, discipline, and commitment to quality.